All right, class. So today we're looking at Treasure Island Chapter 3, and I want to point out some literary treasures of Treasure Island in Chapter 3. And there's a simile I want to point out, and it reads like this. Holding on to the walls as he went for support and breathing hard and fast like a man on a steep mountain. So comparing two things, using the word like or as, and he's comparing the way he's breathing to a man climbing a steep mountain. In this book, he's not climbing a steep mountain, the character, but he's breathing like a man climbing a steep mountain. So that's a good simile I wanted to point out. And then something that goes on in this book and many books is the use of imagery and what you can see to kind of the way things are described so you can see what you're reading, you can imagine it. And Robert Louis Stevenson does that very well. And he throws in something here that represents something negative in a lot of books, in a lot of movies even, and it's fog, or things being foggy. And so here, bitter, foggy, frosty afternoon, and then something bad is going to happen. In this book, when fog shows up, it's usually somebody bad or something bad is going to happen. So just kind of letting you know that. Remember that as we read this book. Foggy. Not a good thing. A movie with a bunch of fog in it is probably going to freak you out a little bit. So foggy, just keep that in mind. And then a theme that is throughout this book are the evils of alcohol abuse. And so chapters 1, 2, and 3, we got the captain drinking rum. It doesn't do well. He, passes out, has a stroke, has a heart attack, dies. So alcohol abuse theme is throughout this book. I wanted to point that out to you as well. So that's just one of the themes in this book, along with good versus evil, okay, and doing what's right. So there's also that theme of alcohol abuse too. So keep that in mind as we read through this book. Anyway, hope you're doing good, and we'll talk to you later.